Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, what we own is a 19 FBS GeoPro. It's 5 years old, we've had a lot of fun, but it's starting to show its age. Things are starting to fade. So now that our house looks like an Amazon distribution center, we're going to be changing these items out in the next couple weeks. But today, we've got a quick 2-minute fix to get us started. This range hood vent cover, no amount of polish is going to make this thing look anything but faded and old. Originally, we thought this Camco model was going to work, but the tabs didn't line up, so we had to keep looking. Which led us to this one, made by B&B Molders. It's an exact replacement. Getting this thing off, it's got a couple tabs. You just pry out on them. Lift this thing off, get the new one, pop it right back into the same tab holes, and you're good to go. Now this cover looks nice, makes the camper look a lot newer. Unfortunately on me, there is no cover to replace. Now if you want to change out the entire thing, the package does come with a replacement flange. It only takes 3 or 4 screws, it pops right out. And it comes with adhesive tape as well. If you followed our channel for any length of time, you'll know that Linda and I removed the stove from inside the camper. Without a stove, there's no reason to have a vent hood. Which started us thinking, what else can we use this hole for? Thanks, baby. All right, so seriously though, we couldn't come up with anything that worked for us. If you guys have any ideas of things that you think we might be able to do with this, please let us know in the comments down below. As always, like and subscribe. And Desi, he loves it when you hit that notification bell.